After any woodworking project, we're often left with small scraps, thin wooden laths, odd-shaped pieces, bits that most people just throw away. But what if those leftover pieces could become something beautiful? Look closely at these creations. This mobile stand, made from just one small wooden block. This key holder, simple yet charming. A tiny shelf for a plant, easy to make, and instantly lifts the look of the room. And now, take a look at this entire wall decor made only from leftover wood laths. A design like this doesn't just decorate your space, it transforms it. From plain and empty, to warm, rustic, and full of character. Each wooden piece tells its own story, and together, they create art. Wall panels, hanging frames, geometric designs, all made from what was once waste. These ideas aren't just budget-friendly, they're personal, creative, and eco-conscious. You're not only saving material, you're building a home that feels handmade with love. So next time you're about to toss out those extra wood pieces, stop and imagine what they could become. Like, share and subscribe.